Led Zeppelin, thank you.
Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
What? Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. Hey, Cora. Some of them came back. I think there's more of them than there used to be. Crazy. What's sold on eBay? Actually, I had two things sold, but one of them hadn't paid. This is a Clyde Edwards-Helaire. He's the #1 draft pick for the Chiefs. And it's kind of a surprise. A lot of people didn't think, they thought we would get DeAndre Swift. Probably should have. But he's a very unique and versatile player, so he'll be very dynamic on a dynamic offense. So I can't blame him. I watched some of his highlights, and he looked a lot like a Barry Sanders. I haven't seen anybody run like Barry Sanders with that size and where he could still be inside the numbers. He's going to be good. But I put this up for sale for $150, sold for $149.95, and it is 42 out of 99. It's his rookie card. It's a low number too, because most of the time the autos don't have a number, or they're $2.99 or $1.99. So this was a pretty rare one. It's a Prism, Panini Prism, straight out of LSU. But you know, I just try to sell football. I don't, kind of like Kent Daigle says, not for long. And you never know how they're going to be. So if the hype's big right now, take the money. And this is also another one that sold. It's hard to see. Gavin Lux. It's actually in Topps Clearly Authentic. It comes in a case already, and it's sealed. And it's a see-through clear auto. It's Gavin Lux's rookie card. There's a lot of numbered ones in the same version, and they look better. And they go for sometimes $150. So I'm just glad that, or 100 bucks. And so I was glad to get 109 out of this. I just let it sit there for a while and it sold, but they haven't paid yet, so we will see. But that was a good sale. I got that in a $79 Chiefs break, so I got 149 out of it, paid for 2 breaks. And then there was a bunch of other stuff in there to sell that I will in my boost for sure. So just something I do on eBay to eBay, e-com flip, and I think we're going to see a lot more e-com flips as we go along. It's just the way it's going to be. My thrift store has kind of been slow, which is weird. The first month we were back open, it was busy, and this last month hasn't been. Even the owner said that. But my antique mall has still been busy, so I'm hoping it was just because of like garage sale, because that's where the garage sale people go. So I'm thinking it's because we just opened up garage sales and they've been doing that. But if you want to learn more about where I sell, how to sell in antique malls, even selling on Mercari now, I'm gonna put some stuff up on Grailed. Subscribe below, bing, and follow along. Stay tuned and grind on, friends.
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.